Hello fellas, hope you all doing fine. Today we are going to unbox battery operated fairy lights. It comes in this type of corrugated box. There is quantity discount for these lights. For single piece it will cost 115 rupees. I purchased 3 pieces for 297 which means 99 rupees per piece. It is made in China. You can open from here and put two batteries and switch on. This light wire is 3 meter in length. You can use this light for photography, DIY, decoration, etc. These lights are shockproof and look awesome at night. Do let me know if you found this video helpful. Do like and subscribe for more such videos. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.